What if I told you that you've been manifesting your reality this entire time? That every single experience, every opportunity, every relationship you've encountered has been a direct reflection of your inner world. Not through grinding, not by luck, but through your assumptions. It's a radical idea, I know. But what if the key to unlocking your dream life wasn't about doing more, but about assuming more? The law of assumption isn't just another trend floating around TikTok or Instagram. It's not a fleeting concept designed for likes and shares. It's one of the most powerful energetic tools you can master, a fundamental principle that governs the very fabric of your existence. To rewrite your life from the inside out. To consciously create the reality you desire, rather than unconsciously manifesting from a place of fear and limitation. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, how to harness this incredible power, to create success in your career, to manifest opportunities that align with your soul's purpose, relationships, to attract loving, supportive, and fulfilling connections, and self-image, starting right now. To finally see yourself as the radiant, powerful being you truly are. So, what is the law of assumption? Let's break it down. It's simple. Whatever you assume to be true becomes your reality. Your assumptions are the blueprints of your life. It's deeper than belief. It transcends the realm of simple wishful thinking. It's not about hoping or wishing. It's about knowing. It's about embodying the unwavering conviction that what you desire is already yours. If you assume you're magnetic, worthy, and destined for success, if you truly embody these qualities within yourself, your subconscious mind will make that your truth. It will align your thoughts, feelings, and actions to create a reality that reflects your inner assumptions. But here's the catch, the crucial element that often gets overlooked. Most of us unconsciously assume the opposite. We're conditioned to believe in lack, limitation, and unworthiness. We assume failure, rejection, and struggle. We anticipate the worst-case scenario, and life mirrors that right back at us. Our external world becomes a reflection of our internal fears and insecurities. So, how do you actually shift this? How do you break free from these limiting assumptions and create a new reality for yourself? Step 1. Reprogram your self-concept. This is the foundation upon which all your manifestations will be built. Who do you believe you are at your core? What is the story you're telling yourself about yourself? Do you assume you're the kind of person who wins, who effortlessly attracts success and abundance, or the kind who's always one step behind? The one who constantly struggles and never quite reaches their full potential? Success isn't just a goal, it's an identity. It's about embodying the qualities of a successful person before you even see the results. Start affirming. Start consciously choosing new beliefs about yourself. I always attract aligned opportunities. I am a magnet for success and abundance. I am the version of me who already has it. I am already living my dream life. Write it down. Reinforce these new beliefs through repetition. Visualize it. See yourself already having what you desire. Speak it into your cells. Feel the truth of these affirmations resonating within every fiber of your being. When your assumption shifts, when you truly embody these new beliefs, your external world has no choice but to follow. Reality will begin to conform to your new inner state. Now here's where most people stumble. This is where the real work begins. You assume something new, you start affirming and visualizing, but your reality still looks the same. The old circumstances persist, and doubt begins to creep in. That's the test. That's the moment of truth. You have to persist through the lag. You have to remain steadfast in your new assumptions, even when your outer world seems to contradict them. The world you see is just the echo of your old thoughts. It's a delayed reflection of your past assumptions. Think of it like placing an Amazon order, a tangible representation of your desires. You don't panic if it doesn't show up in 2 minutes. You understand that there's a process involved, a period of waiting. You just assume it's on its way. You trust that it will arrive at the designated time. That's the level of calm and trust you need right now. That unwavering faith in the unseen. Assume it's done. Live like it's done. Embody the feeling of already having what you desire. You'll be amazed how quickly things start to shift. How rapidly your reality will transform to reflect your new assumptions. Here's the real secret. The key that unlocks the full potential of the law of assumption. Don't just say the affirmation. Feel it. Connect with the emotion of already having what you want. Walk through your day with the energy, with the unwavering confidence of the version of you who already has what you want. Embody the feeling of success, abundance, and fulfillment. Ask yourself. Engage in a powerful exercise of self-inquiry. How would she walk? What would her posture be like? What would she tolerate? What boundaries would she set? What would she post, wear, say no to? How would she navigate her daily life? You don't have to wait to become her. You don't need external validation or permission. Becoming her now is what makes it manifest. Embodying that version of yourself in the present moment is the catalyst for transformation. If you want tools to support this shift, if you're looking for resources to help you deepen your practice, I've created journals and rituals carefully designed to guide you on your manifestation journey, to help you anchor this new identity every single day. To create a consistent and powerful practice that aligns you with your desires. You can check them out in the description below. I've included links to these resources for you to explore. Remember, the law of assumption will either work for you or against you. It's a constant force in your life, whether you're aware of it or not. So ask yourself. Take a moment for introspection and honest self-reflection. What am I unconsciously assuming about my worth? What limiting beliefs am I holding on to about my value and deservingness, my future, my power? What assumptions am I making about what's possible for me? Shift that assumption and you shift everything. Change your inner world and your outer world will transform accordingly. You don't have to wait to become her. The power to transform your life is within you right now. You already are her. You already possess the qualities and potential you admire in your ideal self. Assume that. Live from that. Embody that truth in every moment. Watch the magic unfold. Witness the incredible transformation that occurs when you align your inner world with your desires. If this message hit home, if you resonated with these powerful principles, don't forget to like, subscribe, to show your support and stay connected, and drop a crystal ball emoji in the comments if you're ready to master your assumptions. Let's create a community of conscious creators, all working together to manifest our dream lives. Everything changes when you do. Your entire reality shifts when you take control of your assumptions. See you in the next one, Star Babe. Keep shining, keep manifesting, and keep believing in your power. Now that you understand the foundation of the law of assumption, let's take it a step further. How do you go from simply believing to truly embodying your new reality, even on the days when doubt and old habits creep in? Here are a few advanced practices and inspiring real-life stories to help you anchor this transformation at the deepest level. First, let's talk about scripting. This isn't just journaling. This is conscious creation in action. Each morning before you look at your phone, take a few minutes to script your day as if everything you desire has already unfolded, right in the present tense. I am so grateful that I received the perfect opportunity today. I feel confident, magnetic, and supported in every interaction. My life is unfolding exactly as I assumed. The more vivid and specific you are, the more your subconscious mind will accept these new assumptions as reality. Another powerful tool is the revision technique, a favorite of Neville Goddard, the original law of assumption teacher. At the end of your day, mentally revisit any moment that didn't align with your desired identity. In your mind's eye, rewrite the scene as you wish it had happened. See yourself handling the situation with confidence, receiving the outcome you wanted, or responding with grace and ease. By consistently revising your memories, you train your mind to expect, and therefore create, different results in the future. But maybe you're wondering, does this actually work? Let's look at a real-life example. Meet Maya, a viewer just like you. For years, Maya assumed she was unlucky in love, always attracting unavailable partners. After learning about the law of assumption, she started affirming, "I am cherished, chosen, and deeply loved." She scripted daily about her ideal relationship and revised every disappointing interaction with a new, empowering outcome. Within months, her energy shifted, and so did her reality. She met someone who mirrored her new assumptions perfectly, and together, they built the loving partnership she had always dreamed of. Remember, this isn't magic. It's not about ignoring reality, but about planting new seeds in the fertile soil of your subconscious. The more you persist, the more your external world will reflect your inner transformation. Assume boldly, script your dreams, revise your past, and watch as your reality bends to the power of your assumptions. If you're ready to deepen your journey, try these practices for the next 7 days and share your experiences in the comments. Let's inspire and uplift each other as we manifest a reality beyond our wildest dreams. Keep shining, keep assuming, and remember, you are the author of your story.